Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting essentials right. Charge the Pixel 7 to at least 50% and plug it in so the update won't abort. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network because updates are large and cellular can be slow or costly. Make a quick backup of photos and important data to your Google account. This protects you if something unexpected happens. Then go directly to Settings, tap System, and choose System Update to check for the latest firmware. You'll see the update details, read the notes so you know what's changing and how big the download is. Tap Check for updates, then download. If the package is large, make sure you remain on Wi-Fi. Once downloaded, tap Install. The Pixel will prepare and then reboot to apply system changes. During installation, do not power off or unplug. The phone may restart multiple times. After the final reboot, the update finalizes system optimizations in the background. After the update, verify success by opening Settings, About Phone, and confirming the new build number and security patch date. This tells you the device is up to date. If performance feels sluggish, clear the system cache or restart the device once more to let background optimizations finish. If apps misbehave, boot into safe mode to isolate issues. Make sure you try a factory reset only as a last resort because it erases data. If problems persist, contact.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.